Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about Kmu-Cat 2025 test preparation part 1H. Dear students, if you need MCQs for Kmu-Cat test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको Kmu-Cat टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक अगर आपने टेस्ट के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं की है तो जल्दी से रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लें और अपना सीट रिज़र्व कर लें. थैंक यू. अगर आप Kmu-Cat टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, this is very important MCQs. In the denaturation of proteins, which bond that is not broken? Option A, disulfide bond, B, peptide bond, C, hydrogen bond, and option D, ionic bond. So the correct option is B, peptide bond. Explanation is primary structure peptide bonds remains intact during denaturation. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Number of amino acids present in plants, animals, and microbial proteins. Option A 20, B 80, C 150, and option D 200. So the correct option is A 20. All living things use the same 20 amino acid for protein synthesis. So this is very important MCQs. The movement of charged particles toward one of the electrodes under the influence of electrical current is option A, gel filtration, B, molecular sieving, C, gas liquid chromatography, and option D, gel electrophoresis. So the correct option is electrophoresis. This defines the principle of gel electrophoresis. So what is the bond in protein that is not broken under usual condition of denaturation? Option A, hydrophobic bond, B, hydrogen bond, C, disulfide bond, and option D, peptide bonds. So the correct option is D, peptide bonds. Peptide bonds require enzymatic acid or base hydrolysis to break down of the peptide bond. So this is very important MCQs. The sulfur containing amino acid is option A, homoserine, B, serine, C, methionine, and option D, valine. So the correct option is C, methionine. Methionine contains a sulfur atom in its side chain. Plasma proteins that transport copper are called option A, transferrin, B, ceruloplasmin, C, globulin, and option D, carbonic anhydrase. So the correct option is B, ceruloplasmin. Ceruloplasmin is the major copper transport protein in blood. So this is very important MCQs. The basic amino acid is option A, glycine, B, leucine, C, histidine, and option D, proline. So the correct option is C, histidine. Histidine's imidazole group can be positively charged. Protein is a polymer of option A, sugar, B, phenol, C, amino acids, and option D, carboxylic acid. So the correct option is C, amino acid. Proteins are polypeptides formed from amino acid monomers. Marasmus occurs from a deficient intake of option A, essential amino acids, B, essential fatty acids, C, calories, and option D, zinc. So the correct option is C, calories. Marasmus results from a severe deficiency, both calories and proteins, primarily reflecting a loss of calories. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। So this is last MCQs. All of the following amino acids are optically active except option A tryptophan, B phenylalanine, C valine, and option D glycine. So the correct option is D glycine. Glycine is the only achiral proteinogenic amino acid. Thank you for watching my videos.